Are DMs and PMs starting to rule your life? If you're anything like me and tons of other social media managers, it can become an absolute nightmare zone trying to keep up with all of the inbound and outbound messages, especially across multiple platforms. Today, I'm going to share with you a tool that you can actually use for free to manage all of your inboxes in one convenient place. So let's dive on in. All right, first things first, you're gonna go to Metricool.com. You can sign up for free. You get up to 50 posts per month for free completely on their amazing tool. And their paid offerings are incredibly affordable, accessible, and it's an all-in-one tool. So go to Metricool.com. Feel free to use code Rachel for 30 free days. All right, let's check this out. So I've got all of these different accounts set up, and of course, the most messages I get that I don't want to miss are on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I don't really do much with Google My Business. So let's take a peek. So they just added this new inbox management tool, which is fantastic because it manages Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Google My Business all in one convenient place. You can toggle on which inbox you want to focus on. So we could just focus on Instagram here. So I never miss an Instagram conversation ever again. You can search conversations. You can mark them as unread. You can have all showing up. So you can toggle easily through those. And it's easy for a team to jump on in and manage all communications in one easy place, especially for either a social media manager or customer service to hop in and resolve issues. But I'm going to turn all of mine on and scroll on through. Let's pull up one that's pretty fantastic. Story reply. Look at this. It's got all of the amazing history. Nancy's fantastic. And you can see which platform it comes from on the left-hand side, including some people's pictures if they have a picture with their account, which is pretty neat. You can respond with video, GIFs, emojis, and even photos, all in one fantastic place. And then, of course, once you feel like a conversation's resolved, you can hit the check mark to make it resolved so that you can actually get this inbox tool to inbox 0, which is so exciting. You guys can try this for free. Go to Metricool.com to sign up for their free plans. It's a fantastic tool. Plus, they have so much more with planning, best times to post, a visual drag and drop content planner, and TikTok scheduling, Reels scheduling, carousel scheduling, Twitter threads scheduling. I could keep going, but I'm not going to. Just head to the link in the bio beneath this video, and I will catch you guys later. Bye for now.